Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's safety recap. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, toolbox and safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. Well, I had the opportunity to visit a few jobs this week, and on the most part, everything looked good. There is one thing that did rise to the top that I thought we needed to talk about, and that's the importance of preventive maintenance for equipment. Now, construction equipment such as track hoes, wheeled construction equipment, forklifts, skid steers, elevated work platforms such as man lifts, scissor lifts, etc., road trucks, road tractors, and their associated equipment are the lifeblood of the construction industry. Without such equipment and logistical support elements, our work would slow and come to a complete standstill. Therefore, maintaining them and maintaining regular inspection and maintenance is crucial to their longevity and performance. While people sometimes consider preventive maintenance for equipment to be a burdensome expenditure of time, money, and resources, that's the wrong way to look at it. This attitude typically tends to come from people with little or no experience in heavy construction equipment. Now, those who've been around a bit longer have seen what happens to neglected equipment. In contrast, they've hopefully also seen the performance and lifespan differences in machines that are kept up properly over the years. Preventive maintenance is, in fact, an investment in safety, efficiency, cost efficiency, and productivity. And it's a smart one that does indeed deliver return on your investment. Once you see it in this way, choosing to be proactive about caring for your equipment itself is a major investment, and keeping up with the manufacturer recommended maintenance schedule is an easy call. Some of the benefits of preventive maintenance for construction machinery are as follows. Now, there's lots of reasons to enact a serious preventive maintenance regimen and schedule. For example, it protects workers by helping ensure continuing safe operations. It keeps machinery running at peak performance levels. It minimizes fuel consumption and other power costs. It maximizes efficiency and uptime. It catches problems early, resulting in faster, easier, and cheaper repairs and replacements. It prevents small issues with components from affecting tire systems, again sparing you from costly fixes and more downtime. It helps keep your projects on schedule, and it extends the life of heavy equipment, significantly reducing replacement costs. It also demonstrates corporate responsibility in the eyes of the employees, clients, and potential clients, and it boosts profits in the long run. Now, there's some key areas of preventive maintenance for heavy equipment. A robust regimen of preventive maintenance is more than just regular servicing and includes a variety of careful planning and care, such as purchasing or renting the right equipment for each application, adequately training operators to properly use all machine controls, modes, and technology, making sure all operators understand and adhere to machine limitations, ensuring responsible parties regularly and properly clean, inspect, and adjust equipment and components, following fluid management best practices for all heavy equipment, strictly sticking to the OEM or recommended service schedule, completing any and all repair or part replacements at the first sign of needing them, and maintaining an appropriate size fleet for your needs. Finally, on this issue, the DOT and OSHA require that equipment inspections be performed daily, prior to use, and that its inspections be documented. Take the time, do the right thing, and let's ensure that we inspect our equipment thoroughly and report any maintenance or service issues immediately to our supervisors so that repairs or service can be effective in a timely manner to ensure productivity and longevity of our equipment. Okay, that's it for this week's safety recap. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. Until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field.